Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of superfoods, specifically focusing on three incredible options that can quickly boost your health: seaweeds, steak, and blueberries. You might be wondering how these foods can make a difference in your well-being, and that's exactly what we're here to explore. First up, we'll uncover the nutritional powerhouse that is seaweed. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this oceanic treasure is not only versatile in the kitchen, but also offers a myriad of health benefits, from supporting thyroid function to enhancing gut health. Next, we'll talk about steak, a beloved protein source that's often misunderstood. We'll discuss how lean cuts can provide essential nutrients like iron and zinc, which are crucial for energy levels and immune function. Finally, we'll sweeten things up with blueberries, nature's tiny superstars. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants and have been linked to improved brain health and heart function. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how incorporating these superfoods into your diet can enhance your overall well-being. So stick around as we break down the benefits and delicious ways to enjoy these health-boosting foods. Seaweeds, the ocean's nutrient powerhouse. Seaweeds are often overlooked in our diets, but they are truly the ocean's nutrient powerhouse. These marine plants are packed with an impressive array of vitamins and minerals, including iodine, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and E. This rich nutrient profile makes seaweeds a fantastic addition to any health-conscious diet. One of the standout benefits of seaweeds is their role in supporting thyroid function. Iodine, which is abundant in seaweeds, is essential for the production of thyroid hormones that regulate metabolism and energy levels. Additionally, seaweeds are known to boost immunity, thanks to their high antioxidant content, which helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Incorporating seaweeds into your meals is easier than you might think. You can start by adding dried seaweed flakes to salads for a savory crunch, or tossing them into soups for added depth of flavor. Seaweed snacks are also a convenient option for a healthy on-the-go treat. If you're feeling adventurous, try making sushi rolls with nori, a type of seaweed, or blend seaweed into smoothies for a nutrient boost without altering the taste. With so many delicious and easy ways to enjoy seaweeds, you can effortlessly enhance your health while savoring the flavors of the ocean. Steak, a protein-packed superfood. When it comes to building muscle and supporting overall health, steak stands out as a protein-packed superfood. High-quality protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair, making it an essential component of any fitness regimen. Consuming adequate protein helps your body recover after workouts, promotes muscle synthesis, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. In addition to being a great source of protein, steak is rich in essential nutrients that contribute to your well-being. One of the standout nutrients found in steak is iron, which is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood and preventing fatigue. Steak is also loaded with B vitamins, particularly B12, which plays a key role in energy production and maintaining a healthy nervous system. To maximize the health benefits of steak while enhancing its flavor, consider cooking methods that retain nutrients. Grilling or broiling steak allows excess fat to drip away while locking in moisture and flavor. Alternatively, pan-searing followed by finishing in the oven can create a delicious crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. For a healthy twist, try marinating your steak with herbs and spices to boost flavor without adding extra calories. By incorporating steak into your diet thoughtfully, you can enjoy its delicious taste while reaping the numerous health benefits it offers. Blueberries, tiny berries, big benefits. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. One of their most impressive features is their high antioxidant content. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are compounds that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. This means that regularly consuming blueberries can contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries have shown potential in improving brain health and memory. Studies suggest that the compounds in blueberries may enhance cognitive function and delay age-related decline. Incorporating these berries into your diet could be a delicious way to support your brain health as you age. Adding blueberries to your daily meals and snacks is easy and versatile. You can toss them into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a burst of flavor and nutrition. They also make a fantastic addition to smoothies, providing natural sweetness and vibrant color. For a refreshing treat, try freezing blueberries and enjoying them as a cool snack on hot days. You can even bake them into muffins or pancakes for a delightful breakfast option. With so many creative ways to enjoy blueberries, you can easily reap their numerous health benefits while satisfying your taste buds. In today's video, we explored 3 incredible superfoods that can significantly enhance your health: seaweeds, steak, and blueberries. Each of these foods offers unique benefits that can contribute to your overall well-being. Seaweeds are packed with essential nutrients including iodine and antioxidants, which support thyroid function and boost immunity. Steak provides high-quality protein and vital nutrients like iron and B vitamins, making it an excellent choice for muscle growth and energy. Lastly, blueberries are tiny but mighty, offering powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and support brain health. We encourage you to consider adding these superfoods to your diet. Whether you're looking to improve your energy levels, enhance your cognitive function, or simply enjoy delicious meals, incorporating seaweeds, steak, and blueberries can make a significant difference. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about these amazing superfoods. Together, we can all take steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.